missed it.
Elmo and eggs. F is for flamingo, fish, and flowers. G is for Grover, guitar, globe, and grapes. H is for horn, heart, and hat.
Yes, sir.
I is for ice cream, island.
Yay. Mamá.
J is for jacket and jam.
¿Otro? ¿Más?
K is for key, kite, and kangaroo. L is for lion, ladybugs, leaves, and dinosaur. Luke. Me? Yeah. L is for lion, ladybugs, leaves, and yeah.
Good job.
M is